Toyota Material Handling Manufacturing Italy develops and produces electric counterbalance trucks mainly for the European market with brand Toyota and Cesar. We are in front of a tricky situation. There are logistic stress in the supply chain, and due to this we need to support in the best possible way our customer and our potential new customer in this situation. In 2016 we were looking a partner in order to change our ERP solution. So we checked in the market around Bologna some possible partner, and we found in Sinfo One a possible partner for our future, able to support us in a good way, optimizing our processes and our way to support business.
We started the partnership starting from the very beginning. I mean, we had to know each other, and so we started with an assessment. The assessment was the first step in order to understand all the different challenges, and the assessment gave to the customer the times, the costs, the challenges, and the team that we needed to implement the right solution for Toyota Material Handling Manufacturing Italy.
With the implementation of JD Edwards Enterprise One in TMHMI, we have the opportunity to better support the internal customer, the other employee within TMHMI, because with this system it's more easy to implement good processes, to improve them in the time, and the final result of this is not only internally but also externally, because we will have the opportunity to create a more full experience, because our customer is pushing us on this. So a total experience, 360-degree experience.
So this approach, starting from the assessment, is the standard approach that we have with our customers. Within the project, we have been able to match our experience in lean manufacturing with the experience in implementing solutions for the lean manufacturing companies. So we will, of course, reuse this kind of set of knowledge and competences to go on the market and to convince other customers looking to the Toyota philosophy in terms of lean manufacturing to implement not just the processes but also the systems in order to support them in this path. In a word that we can define VUCA, so volatile, uncertain, complex and ambiguous, it's very important to have solutions that can follow and be flexible in order to match all the different necessities and needs and issues that the customer will have, not just today but also in the future. Oracle JD Edwards Enterprise One is a very flexible solution with also the possibility of customizing the different activities that we can implement with the customer until being ready to follow everything that the customer needs. The challenge and also the advantages that we have had with the team that we developed in Toyota was being able to match perfectly the flexibility and all what we could offer with a standard solution. So this balance was the right match to have the solution implemented in Toyota.
Our future challenges are to optimize as much as possible our processes. As I have described in the start, there are a lot of stress in the logistic market and the logistic business, and also in the supply chain. So in the future we would like, with Sinfo, with Enterprise One, to optimize all our processes, to open our company to a more easy digitalization of our internal processes. We're considering this as a good leverage for our future and our optimization.